Hi, my name is Catarina and I'm finishing my master's degree in economics at Católica-Lisbon. I chose the master in economics at Católica 2 years ago mainly for 3 reasons. I knew I would learn from the best professors, I know the program was very strong and demanding, and finally I knew that the university would provide me all the support needed in finding my way in the job market. This turned out all to be true, but now that I look back, I'm truly thankful to realize that my experience included everything I expected, but also much more. First, the faculty is indeed the best, but is also composed by the kindest professors I've ever met. They really care about each one of us and will support you and incentivize you to push harder and to become an even better version of yourself. For example, in 2 days I'll be flying to Switzerland to participate in a week-long simulation of the WTO negotiations. I would never have gotten this opportunity without the help of Católica professors, which suggested I applied and helped me with the whole process. Secondly, the school provides the support needed so that you can succeed in the job market, but it also gives you opportunities to thrive already while you are studying. Right now, I'm a teaching assistant in the undergraduate courses and also a research fellow at Prosper, a research center here at Católica. Finally, the program is truly comprehensive and allowed me to study what I chose, economics, but also broaden my horizons to things I've never thought I'd love before. For instance, I found a passion for programming and data analysis in applied economics courses I had. Besides all the professional growth I experienced, this was truly a significant personal experience as I made very close friends, I participated in countless events, and I'm even part of a Católica band. Now that I'm at this final stage of my studies, I look back and I'm grateful that I made the right choice, even when I didn't know half of what I know today.